2011 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, air conditioning, front, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, multi-zone. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.